Here is a year-end review of all the current lawnmowers I currently have, and these are all the Toro brand lawnmowers. We'll start with the first one here. This is a Kohler-powered front-wheel drive, model 20371. It didn't come with a bag. This is the Kohler-powered 6.75 149cc engine, 22-inch recycler. And this is front-wheel drive, of course. This is model 20332 with the 7.25 gross torque engine on it, 190cc. Toro Recycler. This is a personal pace. And I have two of these model 20333s. This is the Briggs & Stratton 7.0 190cc engine, and these two have the spin control or blade engagement feature on it, both personal pace. And this is the same model here in much better condition. This one I got that didn't run and it needed a gas cap. Very odd repair here, but it had a 2-cycle gas cap on it, which caused all kind of problems with how this ran until it wouldn't run at all. And here is the final lawnmower. This is the model 20334 electric start. Toro Recycler, 22-inch, personal pace. Kind of nice having the electric start lawnmower that actually this electric start actually works. Most of them that I've got, they didn't work or the battery was dead on it. 5 very nice Toro lawnmowers. These personal pace models all have the little blue knob here. You can switch from mulch, that's the bag mode, and this is the mulch mode. They all have the recycler blade on here, which is kind of like a gator blade. And this is the only one that doesn't have the Briggs & Stratton engine. This Kohler one has a higher rear wheels. Very easy to push lawnmower. Wish I had the real bag with it, but they didn't have it. Let's give each one of these a start here, and we'll start with the Kohler-powered Toro Recycler here. See how easy this will be to start today. Really like the handles on these. Here we go. Next we'll start the model 20332. This was a customer return that I bought. This has not been started in a while, so let's see if this will start. Here we go. Ooh, a little bit of smoke. Try this again. Let's check the choke on here. Just trying. Hard to start, but runs very nice. And here is one of the two model 20333. This is the blade engagement or spin control. I've been using this one pretty regular now. This is the one that I got that wouldn't run, and replace the gas cap. Let's see how well this will start today. Real cold. Blade engagement. Still a little cold. Cut it off with this button here. Go right to the next one here. See how easy this will be to start. Same model, 20333, same engine. 7.0 gross torque, Briggs & Stratton. Here we go. Very cold. Try to engage the blade, it's still cold. There we go. And we cut this off here as well. Now we'll do the electric start one here. Let me tie this handle back here. And here we go. This is model 20334. And it should be just as easy as turning the key here. nice Toro lawn mowers, all unique. Model 20334. Got two model 20333s. This is model 20332. And here's the front wheel drive Kohler powered model 20371.